Are you tired of your TV's tinny speakers ruining your favorite movies, or streaming music that sounds flat and lifeless? I've been testing the KEF LSX II wireless hi-fi speaker system for the past month, and I'm honestly blown away by what these compact speakers can deliver for under $75. First off, the sound quality is absolutely incredible. These aren't your typical budget speakers. KEF has packed serious hi-fi technology into these sleek carbon black units. The clarity is crystal clear, with rich bass that doesn't muddy the mids and sparkling highs that make every song feel like you're hearing it for the first time. I've been A/B testing these against speakers costing 3 times as much, and the LSX II holds its own beautifully. What really sets these apart is the versatility. With HDMI ARC support, you can connect them directly to your TV and instantly transform your living room into a mini theater. The USB-C input means you can plug in virtually any device, from your laptop to your phone. I love that I can seamlessly switch between watching Netflix with cinematic sound and streaming Spotify wirelessly from my phone. Speaking of wireless, the multi-room capability is a game changer. You can pair these with other KEF wireless speakers throughout your home for synchronized audio everywhere. Imagine cooking dinner while your favorite playlist flows perfectly from kitchen to living room. It's like having a personal concert venue in your house. The built-in streaming services are another huge win. No need for separate streaming devices or complicated setups. Everything you need is right there, controlled through KEF's intuitive app. Thousands of buyers have rated these speakers as top-tier performers, and after experiencing them myself, I completely understand why. Setup was surprisingly simple too. Literally plug in the power cords, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. The sleek carbon black finish looks premium and fits seamlessly into any decor without screaming "look at me." For under $75, you're getting audiophile quality sound, multiple connectivity options, wireless streaming, and the reliability that KEF's decades of speaker expertise brings to the table. This is hands down one of the best audio investments you can make for your home entertainment setup. If you want to experience what real hi-fi sound feels like without breaking the bank, check the link below for today's Amazon deal on the KEF LSX II. Your ears will thank you, and at this price, these won't stay in stock long.